am Shanese and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is kind of odd. I did not plan on recording one of these videos, but I've been getting this question a lot lately in different groups, forums, platforms, and it is, how many locks do I have? So I am doing a lock count video to show you guys how many locks I have. People, they look at my locks and they like the size of them. I've been told that I have a small head. I don't know how true that is. I don't think I have the biggest head, but I don't think I have the smallest head either. So these size locks, once I give you guys the count, maybe you'll be able to talk to your loctician if you want something similar. So let's go ahead and get into the lock count video. But first, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming out. So I have 2 hair ties with me, so hopefully this holds everything. Let's go ahead and start the count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That's 26. Twenty-seven, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. All right. Pretty sure I know how many locks I have already. I did a lock count before, but we'll see if I'm right. Actually, it's on my Instagram. Well, it was on my Instagram. I don't know if it's on my Instagram anymore. So, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79. Last section, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101. And so that is what I counted before. It is still 101 locks. So if you think you have a similar head size, this is 101 locks. They are diamond parted. What else? They were started with the comb coil method. My loctician, he actually recommended the size. I kind of wanted them small, but not too small. He recommended that I don't go too small, because when you have smaller locks, the thinning at the root can be an issue, and then breaking off and, you know, having to retouch or combine locks, you know, can be a problem. So he recommended this size and I love them. So the official lock count is 101, and there you go. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the like button, and as always, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next time.